Welcome back. Taking a look at your forecast here. We want to start off with snowfall over the next couple of days. And what you're going to see is a clipper system moving through the Great Lakes and up into southern Canada. And then you're going to see another system that's moving through the northern Rockies, coming out across the plains right here in Kansas, where we showed you earlier, getting some much needed snowfall there. Not a lot, but still some across the plain states there with regards to that winter wheat. And then all that snow coming up into the East Coast, mid-Atlantic states seeing more of that, as well as the Northeast as we head into the weekend. So let's take a look at your map here for today. Looking at a low, this is behind this is going to be very, very cold air and very windy conditions. A lot of winter weather alerts across the upper Midwest and into the Great Lakes because of that system there, which continues to move eastward through the day. High pressure in control down in the Four Corners region. And here comes our next storm system out into the Rockies there, producing some snow in and around the Denver area and into places like Nebraska and Kansas from Wednesday into Thursday. As that storm system gathers more moisture with it into the Gulf Coast states, then it will move its way up through the Tennessee Valley and into the mid-Atlantic states, where more snow, some could be heavy, could fall as we head through the weekend and into early next week up the eastern seaboard. Here's a look at the wind gust forecast this morning. Heading through Wednesday, we're going to see a lot of gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles an hour. All of that red showing that, and it slowly starts to wind down as we head through into Thursday morning. Now, behind this system, temperatures are going to be dropping, and the feels like temperature, what you actually have to plan for outside, could be as low as 23 below in Bismarck, 25 below there in Rapid City, and even 2 below in Chicago, even over into northern Indiana and southern Michigan there could be dealing with those very cold temperatures. And you can see the actual temperatures here, 2 below this afternoon down there in Bismarck, and heading into tomorrow morning, all that cold air again following that system towards the East Coast. 16 down in Cincinnati, 27 in Memphis tomorrow morning, and keeping it cold. Memphis, the high tomorrow, only 32 degrees, and still staying below zero up there in the Dakotas and places like Minneapolis as well. That's all because of this big dip in that jet stream, bringing more cold air into the area. But don't worry, it'll warm up just a bit as we head through the end of the week. Big ridge building out in the west with more cold air filling into the Great Lakes states. And we'll have more on that forecast heading into tomorrow. But for now, let's take a look at the weather where you live. Drummond, Wisconsin's windy and snow likely, 15 degrees that high temperature. Clinton, Oklahoma, lots of sun and very chilly, a high of 46 degrees. And Billings, Montana, bitter cold with accumulating snow likely, high of 10 below.